Hola, hola, welcome back to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Brigs. My name is Mr. Brigs, I'm a qualified Spanish teacher, and today I'm presenting you a new video to help you learn Spanish. That's right, today we're going to be learning about question words in Spanish, using the word what in Spanish. But before proceeding any further, I would like to extend you a warm invitation to subscribe to my channel. It's 100% free and you will be able to be notified every time I upload a video as long as you click the bell. Thank you for subscribing. You make it possible for me to continue producing free videos for you. Excelente! Let's get ready because this lesson is powerful, poderosa. But let's check the learning objectives. It's very important what we want to accomplish by watching this video. Students will learn question words in Spanish. Students will be able to understand, respond, and answer to question words in Spanish. And how will we know if we have achieved this? By looking at the success criteria. Students will be able to use and respond to the Spanish que. That's right, you guessed it right. Que means what in Spanish. Let's start doing some serious Spanish learning. Que. What? Que. What? Powerful word. This word. Que is one of the most powerful words in the Spanish language, just like the what, the English what. So let's see a few examples. How can we use this word? ¿Qué quieres? What do you want? Que, the U is silent. You don't say que, you say ¿qué quieres? What do you want? Repeat that after me. ¿Qué quieres? What do you want? ¿Qué quieres? Quiero un chocolate. I want a chocolate. Quiero un means I want a chocolate. You guessed it right. The sweetest word in the Spanish and English vocabulary. Siguiente, next one. ¿Qué quieres? What do you want? ¿Qué quieres? Quiero, I want, comer. Quiero comer. I want to eat. Is eating a pizza. Yum, yum, yum. Quiero comer pizza. Siguiente ejemplo. Next example. ¿Qué quieres? What do you want? Quiero una empanada. I want an empanada. Quiero una. I want an empanada. Yum. Let's see another example. ¿Qué quieres? What do you want? ¿Qué quieres? Try repeating after me. Quiero un chocolate. I want a chocolate. Very good. It's always good to reinforce what we just learned. Quiero una empanada. I want an empanada. And one more example. Quiero comer. I want to eat. You can use different verbs. You can say quiero dormir. I want to sleep. Quiero bailar. I want to dance. And so on. You get what I mean. Now, this is another powerful way you can use the word what in Spanish. ¿Qué deseas? This is a more polite way of asking what do you want. I venture to say it's almost like saying what would you like? I feel personally, some people may not agree with me, it's more like what would you like? ¿Qué deseas? What do you wish? ¿Qué deseas? What would you like? What do you want? Deseo una empanada. I'd like an empanada. I would like an empanada. I actually use these whenever I want to say I would like in Spanish. It feels more natural. ¿Qué deseas? What would you like? Deseo un chocolate. I would like a chocolate. So it's definitely a more polite way of requesting for something. Deseo un, which literally means I wish a, but it conveys the idea of I would like. ¿Qué deseas? What do you want or what would you like? Deseo, I'd like to eat. I would like to eat. Deseo comer. Deseo beber. I would like to drink, and so on. ¿Qué deseas? What would you like? Let's see another ejemplo. Ejemplo means example. Deseo un chocolate. Wow, what a beautiful word, huh? Don't you agree with me? I would like a chocolate. Yum, yum, yum. Deseo una empanada. I would like an empanada. Por favor, please. Deseo dormir. I would like to sleep. Okay, fantastico. Let's move on and let's learn another way we can use the word que. What? ¿Qué pasa? What is up? What's going on? What's up? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? Don't forget, you do not pronounce the U. ¿Qué pasa? Veamos ejemplos. Let's see examples. ¿Qué pasa? Repeat after me. ¿Qué pasa? What's going on in Mexico? ¿Qué pasa en México? ¿Qué pasa en Australia? What's going on in Australia? ¿Qué pasa en Brasil? Just to give you another example. ¿Qué pasa en Miami? What did I say? I'm sure you already know what I said, huh? Muy bien. ¿Qué pasa? What's going on? ¿Qué pasa? Repeat after me. ¿Qué pasa, amigos? What's going on, friends? ¿Qué pasa, amigos? Muy bien, you're doing very well. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa con? What happens or what's going on with? Con means with. ¿Qué pasa con él? What's going on with him? ¿Qué pasa con ella? What's going on with her? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? Okay, another example. ¿Qué pasa aquí? What's going on here? ¿Qué pasa aquí? Muy bien, we're almost there. ¿Qué pasa? Repeat. Repetition is so important. Copy my pronunciation. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa en México? What's going on in Mexico? ¿Qué pasa en México? ¿Qué pasa, amigos? What's going on, friends? What's up, friends? ¿Qué pasa, amigos? ¿Qué pasa, John? What's up, John? ¿Qué pasa con, with? ¿Qué pasa con él? What's going on with him? ¿Qué pasa con ella? What's going on with her? ¿Qué pasa aquí? What's going on here? Ejercicios. That's right, you guessed it. Ejercicios means exercises. Very important. All right, let's set aside some time and see if you can respond the following. How do you say what in Spanish? Think about it. ¿Qué? Muy bien. How do you ask what's going on in Spanish? ¿Qué pasa? How do you ask what do you want in Spanish? ¿Qué quieres? How would you say I want to eat in Spanish? Quiero comer. What does deseo comer mean? I would like to eat. Excelente. Muy bien. Big aplauso. Big aplauso for you. You've done remarkably well. Once again, thank you so much. And please don't leave the video without clicking the subscribe button. You will help me grow my channel, and in the same way, you will help me to continue producing more free videos for you. In that way, you'll be able to continue learning Spanish absolutely for free, my dear amigos. Once again, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And don't forget, I got a lot of other playlists, a lot of other lessons. I got nearly 300 lessons, so feel free to check the playlist and my other videos. Take care and nos vemos pronto. See you soon. Adiós.